Right, so today I've been sent Topdon car analyser thing. So what it does is it checks your car, and if I can get in my car, and it's a Topdon. So what it does is it checks your car, and then it can see if there's anything wrong with your car, so you don't have to go through the garage or anything. So what we're doing today is we're gonna connect up to, that's my phone, CarPal. So we're gonna check through and see, just do like a test for my car, basically, just to see how it's doing. Right, let's go. We are connected. Full vehicle health check. Hopefully this will come back alright. But thank you very much for Topdon to sending me this. Much appreciated. I'm pretty sure they're on eBay or on TikTok. So I just filled out a form, requested one, told them about my channel. The perks of being on YouTube, getting free stuff. So woohoo! So thank you very much, Topdon. Alright, still reading okay. No problem so far, which is brilliant. Come on, baby. 75%. Come on, just make it to 100%, but there's no problems with my car whatsoever. 91, 100%. I can't enter my VIN, so we know that's alright. Well, I can enter my VIN, but I don't really want to do it on camera. Okay, let's do a battery test. Start testing on the battery. Yes, it's fine. Confirm. Turn off all systems, which is what we've done. Next, start on the battery test. Turn on my car. Turn that down because I'll get copyright strike. I don't really want that. Testing on the battery. I mean, it's looking good so far, guys. Please try again. Confirm. So we are looking good. Alright, so we'll just run a few tests on my car, make sure it's fine. I'm very happy that it is still fine and still good. Time out, please try again. Oh, why is it timing out? Maintenance. Let's have a look in maintenance. Oil. Continue. Shouldn't need any oil, it should be fine really. I'm going to do look after my car a lot, because I'm in her a lot as well, so. %. Should be fine. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be. I'm looking for a new project as well. I'm not going to enter my VIN, so that's fine. look, because it does all this other stuff as well. The DPF, BMS, throttle, TMS, and you can change all this stuff as well on here, which is really good. But we'll try the vehicle health check again. I mean, it went through alright first time, but I just want to double check just to make sure. I mean, everything's looking fine, so I'm happy with that. Really happy with that. There's no 75%. There's no lights on my dashboard. That's just my handbrake lights. So, but we're looking good. Oh, I'm so glad that there's nothing wrong with it. Let me know what you think. Kind of next project I should be doing for my car or cars. That's the VIN. I'm not going to end on the VIN, so that's fine. Yes, we're doing a performance test. Let's do a performance test. The feature does not apply to highways or prohibited locations. Do not use this app during driving. Continue to use indicates that you agree to use the feature as intended and bear responsibilities for consequences in the feature. Reading protocol. So test it on this as well. Okay. There we go. Start. Test doing really well. Okay. So we're looking fine. Everything's looking absolutely fine. Good. Okay, that's fine. We can't drive and do this as well. So, but yeah, no. If you guys see this on TikTok, I highly recommend getting one. It's called Car Pal. Really good. Does everything that is wrong with your car. You can fix it yourself and not take it to a garage. So you'll be saving yourself a lot of money here. I think they're only about £30 on TikTok, so it's worth checking out. As always, guys, look after yourself, look after your family, and hopefully this can save you some money. See you later.